should do this one thing if you want to be successful with LiveGood. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, LiveGood is one of the most popular network marketing opportunities out there right now. A lot of people are talking about it in the industry. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single week. All right, but here's the thing. A lot of people that once they get into LiveGood, once the hype settles down and they got their back office and they got their link, you know, they do a little bit of promotion. They're like, man, I ain't making no money. Like, where the money at? You know what I'm saying? Like, I was watching all these videos and these people talk about they're making thousands of dollars and like, I just can't make any money. You know, I've been posting on YouTube. I've been posting on Facebook, TikTok. I'm not earning any money. All right. Well, look, I got a solution for you. All right. Now, this isn't for everyone. All right. I'm going to tell you, but it's a simple mind shift. Right. And this is going to work for a particular group of people. All right. So you might be in LiveGood, right? And you're just like, oh, it's a cool opportunity. You know, it's very cool. You're in some Facebook groups and stuff, and you're watching the webinars, the Friday Firestarter Friday webinars, and you're all excited. You're real, you know, just happy-go-lucky, all right? And let me tell you something. There is a leaderboard in your back office. If you haven't joined yet, you'll see it once you join. But on the left side in your back office, you'll see where it says leaderboard. Right? When you click on that leaderboard, they'll show you, I believe it's the top 200 recruiters, right? The people with the most personal affiliates, not the biggest teams, the personal affiliates. Okay. So if you look at that list, you know, you'll see the flag of the person first, then you see the person's name, right? And then you see the number of affiliates that they bring in to LiveGood. All right. Now, what you need to do is get competitive, right? You might be thinking, what the hell you say? I said it. Get competitive, all right? Because as I'm making this video right now, to crack into the top 25, and, you know, actually being in the top 100, top 200 is incredible, right, in the company. Let's just be clear. But, like, to crack into the top 25 recruiters in LiveGood, right? You only have to have 200 personals, right? Now, depending on what kind of person you're watching this video, you might be like, 200? That's crazy. Or if you realize how big the damn world is, you'll realize 200 personals, 200 commissions, that ain't really nothing. You know what I'm saying? 200, that's nothing, right? Now, the top affiliate recruiter in LiveGood right now is at 1,088 affiliates, personals. I think this guy has a radio station, whatever, right? So if you can beat that, like, you will be the top recruiter in LiveGood. But even if you cracked into the top 5, you only need, I believe, like over 300, 400 personals can get you into the top 5 leaders in LiveGood when it comes to recruiting. All right. So what you need to do, if you've been struggling, you've been kind of happy-go-lucky, just doing a little bit of here, a little bit of there, get competitive. Damn everything else. Forget the products, forget the whatever, right? You want to crack into that top. You want to make that list. So you need to decide right now, do you want to crack the top 100? You know what I'm saying? Where your name would be seen. Do you want to crack into the top 50? Right? Or do you want to crack that top 25? Or damn it, do you want to be the leader? Right? Commit right now. So you could even say top 10, right? Whatever. So once you got it locked in, I want to be top 10. I want to hit that top 10 list. Right? You go into your back office. If you haven't joined LiveGood, it'll take you 5 minutes. Join LiveGood and you can instantly see this leaderboard now. Look at the leaderboard and you go down, you say top 10. You look at it and you say, okay, the 10th person got, you know, whatever, 300 personal affiliates. All right. So that right there, your goal need to be, I need to crack over 300. What do I need to do to get 300 affiliates? Now let's get into grind mode. Let's get into go mode. Because your mission now is not pussyfooting around and dibble dabbling with little posts on Facebook here and there, or 1 or 2 YouTube videos a week, and telling a couple friends. Nah, damn all that. You need 300. You need 300 affiliates, right? So now what you gonna do, right? Let that mind shift happen, because now once it do, now you realize, shit, maybe I can post, more on Facebook. Maybe I can post 1 YouTube video a day. Maybe I can get some flyers made. Instead of having a pack of 50 flyers, maybe I'll order me 500 flyers, right? Because remember, the goal is to crack that top 10 list, right? You ain't playing no more games. You ain't, I'm in LiveGood. I'm in LiveGood. Nah. Because my goal is to crack that top 10. That's where I'm coming at. I want to be on that top 10 list. I want it, right? So anybody that join me, I want them to have that same mentality, because I'm going to help you crack into that top 10. We gonna crack into that top 10 together, right? And as the team get bigger, we gonna take over the top 50 spots, the top 100, right? I want to help everybody crack into that top list, that leaderboard list. That's the mind shift that you need if you are struggling to make any money in LiveGood, or you think about joining LiveGood but you don't know if you can make any money, right? There's money to be made. There are people making money in LiveGood. There's no damn reason why you can't do the same, right? And I damn sure know there's no reason why I can't be on that leaderboard. You know what I'm saying? It's all about being relentless, having a goal and sticking to that goal. That's what I'm on. Hopefully that's what you on, right? So like I said, log into your LiveGood, log into your back office, click on that leaderboard, and look where you want to be, and then get there. So if you haven't yet joined a team, you already know. If you got that mindset, I want you on my team, because we're going to get this popping, all right? Click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the squad.